Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a recent call from the call log in WhatsApp on Android. Sometimes you may want to clear your call log for privacy or organizational reasons. Here's how you can do it. To start, open WhatsApp and go to the Calls tab. This is where you will find your call log, which lists all the recent calls you've made or received. To delete a call from your call log, simply long press on the call you want to delete. Once the call is selected, a trash can icon will appear in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the trash can icon to delete the call from your call log. The call will now be removed from your call log. It's important to note that deleting a call from your call log will not delete the call from your chat history, if you have one. You can repeat these steps to delete more calls from your call log as needed. Deleting your call log can help keep your privacy intact and make it easier to find the calls you need. If you don't want to delete a call, but still want to keep it from showing up in your call log, you can also archive it. To do this, simply swipe left on the call you want to archive, and then tap on the archive icon. Archiving a call will remove it from your call log, but you will still be able to find it in the Archived Calls section. To access your archived calls, go to the Calls tab, and then swipe left to the Archived Calls section. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.